Hey everyone, I'm going to go through this review the similarities of triangles, the different postulates and theorems that we have, just kind of break down each problem step by step. In this video series, I'm going to do each problem as a separate video so you can kind of have that as your reference, but let's jump right into it. Here we have this triangle ABC, and the other triangle, we'll just call this one YZX, and we want to prove whether or not they're similar. Just a reminder, similar means that they have the same shape, but they may not necessarily have the same size. You can think of like a scale model, right? If I have a Hot Wheels, like a mini car, everything of that car would be the same size in relationship to each other as a regular real car would be. Of course, they're two different shapes and sizes, right? But they have the same kind of measurements related to each other. So when I look at these two triangles, I don't see a single measurement. What I instead see are these lines here. And what these lines mean are congruency. Congruent may be something that you may remember from integrated 1 or maybe another point in your middle school, but it means that these two angles are the same, right? So these one singular lines, B to Z, are the exact same, and then A to Y. These two are exactly the same. So let me go ahead and write that out here. We will say that angle A is congruent to angle Y. Okay, so that's the first statement. And then we also have angle B is congruent. That's what that symbol means. Little equals with the squiggly on top of it means congruent. It means they have the same measure. So angle B is then to angle Z. Okay, so what we have are two angles that are congruent. On each triangle, there's two pairs. So the similarity theorems we have are side, 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 side angle, side, and angle, angle. I have two angles that are equal, which means I can use angle, angle. So what I will go ahead and say is triangle, we'll say ABC is similar to, that's what that little squiggly means, similar to, triangle, and then A matches to Y. So I wrote A first, I'm going to write Y. B matches to Z. So I wrote B second, so I'm going to write Z second. And then C was kind of, the odd man out here. So X is also kind of the odd man out here. So we're going to kind of hook them up there. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle YZX, and it's similar through the angle theorem. And that would be my answer. So these two are similar through angle, angle.